Hey, welcome to this unboxing of the Brother HL-L2350DW wireless laser printer. We've got it so that we can replace an old Canon inkjet printer where the nozzles are getting blocked up. This shouldn't suffer from the same kind of problem. So let's have a look, see what we get. Power cable. Quick start guide. What's in here? I think that's possibly the toner cartridge. Have a look. Look inside. Now I'm guessing that's toner, or maybe it's part of the printer with the toner cartridge embedded in it. I'm not 100% sure. So it will print 700 pages on the cartridge that comes with it. So that'll last us ages because we just don't really print out that often. That was the problem with the inkjet clogging up. Bottom of the box, driver CD, some more instructions. So relatively compact. I mean the one that we've got, the Canon, is probably about that high on it. So this does add a bit of bulk. I think the main thing for us is the paper tray that we've got going up there. So we've got some paper just under one of the tables, so that will help clean that up. Pop that into that tray, and then. Yes, the cartridge goes in the front. It'll be double-sided. Maybe that's feed of paper. It's another feed, and then that comes out the top when it's done. What's that? So that's where that cartridge goes. And then that'll slot in there somehow. These cartridges are chipped so that the printer knows how many pages are allegedly left in it. So it's a bit of a pain if you want to just fill it back up with toner. That'll require you to reset the chip somehow, so maybe look into that in another video. But yeah, looks pretty good, looks quite solid. The interface on here, the little LCD screen, looks really simple. Apparently it's a pain when you enter all the Wi-Fi credentials. I'm going to find that a right pain because we've got quite a long Wi-Fi password here. But maybe it does one-touch pairing with the router, we'll see. But in general, looks alright. So I'll see you in the next video.